going to show you your chord inversions for A major. Up the neck. This is just a triad, but we're going to keep that open fifth string, your A, kind of as a pedal tone for all of these chords. This is really cool just to have some different voicings, playing with a different guitar player, or just to get some different sounds, or to even write some songs with. All right, so we're just going to start with a regular A chord here. I'm just going to bar it. You're just going to have to play strings 5, 4, 3, and 2. Don't worry about the first string. So A. You can do these on electric or acoustic, doesn't matter. Now the next one's going to be up here on the 5th fret. This is based off your bar chord, but we're doing that again, that open 5th string. Yeah, you're right there. Then we're going to slide this up to right here. This is basically off your like C chord shape down here, but you're up here on A. But again, we're not going to play that pinky there. We're just going to leave that string open. This is your next one, and then you're going to do an octave higher. Just do the A up here on the 14th fret. All right, so here we go. First one. Next one. Next one. And the next one. Now, if you want to go even higher and repeat these up here, you can do that as well. Now, what comes up must go down as well. So you also want to practice these going down. So let's do that together, up and down, and we'll just play this one up here just one time. Now these, you can strum them. I mean, you can do them clean, you can do some distortion. You can also pick them. It doesn't matter, just have fun with them, learn them. They're great technique builders. They're great for, as I mentioned earlier, just some different timbres, some different tones of these chords. And they're just great practice, and they sound cool as well. If you dig this stuff, check us out on our site. We actually have a free 30-day trial to our membership, Rocklikethepros. That's all our courses and our live lessons as well. And if you need anything, a new guitar, anything for your musical journey, we have an online store, terrycartermusicstore.com.